The Life of a Sea Otter by Priya Shea. Basic facts of sea otters. Sea otters are the largest member of the weasel family. Since they do not have blubber like other aquatic animals, they use their extremely dense fur to keep warm. They grow to be about 4 feet tall, with females usually weighing around 45 pounds and males weighing around 65 pounds. The lifespan of a male otter is 10 to 15 years, while females can live up to 15 to 20 years. The diet of otters. Because sea otters have very high metabolisms, they have to eat at least 25% of their body weight to maintain it. Their diet consists of sea urchins, clams, mussels, crab, and snails. Otters are known for their use of tools to eat their food, proving them to be extraordinary animals. The habitat of a sea otter. Sea otters live in shallow waters of the northern Pacific. They are found mostly in Canada, Russia, Japan, California, and Washington. In California, there are 2 distinct types of sea otters. One group is called the northern sea otters, while the other group is called the southern sea otters. As you probably noticed, these names come from where in California these otters dwell in. Daily behavior of sea otters. Otters become very daring when searching for food. They can dive up to 330 feet. For shellfish, sea otters use small, sharp rocks to pry them off the rocks and then crack them open. The mating season for sea otters lasts about 6 to 8 months. A female otter usually only gives birth to 1 pup at a time. However, it is possible for her to give birth to twins. To nurture her newborn pup, the mother cradles the baby on her stomach while lying on her back. Otters are very meticulous animals and love to be clean. After they finish eating, they always make sure to clean themselves off and ensure that there is no mess left behind. Personality of the sea otter. Sea otters are very exciting animals. They have very vibrant personalities and love to talk. These furry animals are known to be pretty self-centered and unmotivated. They spend a majority of their time eating. When it comes to food, these animals are extremely smart and resourceful and will do whatever it takes to eat. The food cycle of a sea otter. Because of the kelp that sea otters bring along with them to keep them from drifting away, they are able to feed the sea urchins. In return for keeping the sea urchins alive, the otter then gets to eat the urchin for his meal. Thank God for sea otters.